This exercise is really simple. It's just rotating the lower back. You're gonna have your feet and your knees together. Can be, kind of one of those throwback, fall back exercises if you're having like some low back pain, or if you're in a flare up of low back pain, just to keep moving, right, and kind of nurse yourself through that flare up. So we're gonna put our knees and our feet together, and I'm just gonna lay my head down. I'm gonna let my legs fall to one side, and my low back kind of rotates. This is great for mobility of the low back. It's a very comfortable exercise. You never want to do an exercise that like makes your pain flare up a bunch, right? I have had patients that have had like severe enough flare-ups where they rotate and then they start to feel pain, right? You always want to like just move within what you're comfortable of moving. If you can go all the way, full range of motion, that's preferred. But it's really just about doing what you can and improving the motion over time. A lot of times people will do this, they'll do 10 reps if they're in a flare-up, and then they'll do some of the range of motion, and then they start to loosen up a little bit, they start to go more. But I usually count rotating one way, and then rotating the other way, and then I count 1, 2, 3, and you can even hold for a few seconds if you want to. There's really no wrong or right. I like to hold this sometimes. It just kind of feels stretching, feel a little bit of pressure and pulling and stretching sensations. It's very dull, it's just the tissues back there as they're getting stretched, right? You should never be pushing through anything that's sharp. I never recommend pushing through sharp pain with any of my patients, right? But if it's dull, achy, tight, uncomfortable, pressure, that type of thing, as long as it's mild, moderate, if you like the way that feels. Some people feel like it's hitting right on the symptoms in the tailbone, and right, they like to feel that a little bit, they like to push it a little bit. That's okay. Don't do anything you can't tolerate.